So here we have a box that they've asked us to find the surface area for. And I want you to recognize in blue, I've kind of numbered the faces. We have this end piece of the box that looks like a trapezoid. And recognize that the opposite end on the back side here, these two shapes would be the same. So when we find the surface area of just this shape here on number 1, then we're going to double it to count for the other end as well. Then the second side that I want to talk about is this front facing piece. Okay, so it's like we're trying to cut this box apart and take just each piece and find the measurements. Now this side here is a rectangle. The other side is not the same because see how this slopes? Actually, I drew it kind of badly. This side was the side that actually sloped. But this back side only will have a height of 12, where this front side has a height of 24. So the back side of it will be 12 by 36, but the front side is 24 by 36. Then the top part of the box is here, and the bottom will be the same shape. And then, so we've got, I think we've recognized all the pieces. So down here, we'll start with the trapezoid portion. That's 12. This is a better drawing of it on the side here. You'll have 2 of them because you'll have this front side and the back side. And so if you look at your formula sheet for trapezoid, top right hand side of your formula sheet, this is the area of a trapezoid is big base plus little base divided by 2, and that's always your parallel lines. These 2 lines in blue here, notice they're parallel. These 2 are not. So it's the parallel lines that are the big B and little b. So you want to add those together. Find the answer before you hit divide by 2 because otherwise the calculator will only divide the second number by 2. So you want to find these 2 and hit equal and then divide by 2. And then times your height, and your height is what formed by that perpendicular line. So this was going to be 12 plus 24, hit equals, divided by 2 times 31. And the result would be 558. Now we have both this end and that end, so we want to double it. So the total of the 2 ends is 1,116. Next we'll go to number 2. We're just going to find the area of this. It's just a rectangle, and so it's length times width, so 24 times 36 is 864. We do not have 2 of these because remember the back side's a different measurement. Then number 3 is that top that also includes the bottom. And so for the top, again, this is a rectangle. Length times width gives us 1,116. And since we have the top and the bottom, it's times 2. And then the back side, number 4, is a rectangle that's 12 by 36. So again, you're going to do your length times width. Then we're going to take all 4 totals that we came up with and add them together for the total surface area.